Wash a cashmere jumper with several stains here, and the easiest way to do it is to wash it by hand. So we have room temperature water, okay, in a bucket or any thing that can hold the water. And then the best thing to do is to use shampoo, any type of shampoo. Like you can go and get the cheapest shampoo in the supermarket and just put it in the water. Okay, you can also use the cleaning, like the specialized cleaning products, but shampoo is the best for cashmere, angora, and wool as well. So we do it, yes. So we do the water soft and soapy, and we just soak the jumper inside, and we leave it for a little while to get soft, and then a little bit where the stain is, we can just do it like this. We don't rub it like that because it will rub the fluff, so the only thing we can do is like this, like a little bit, yeah, so we can try to get rid of the stain. But we leave it to soak like 20 minutes, and then I'll show you the step number 2. Okay, for 20 minutes, and now that is like all the dirt is like soft, we just simulate a little bit the washing machine. No, this is old-fashioned washing, so because it's a very delicate material, we don't want to rub it. We never rub it like this, so we just simulate the washing machine, and we just do like this, yeah, like that. And then we carefully remove it. We get rid of the excess of water, and then we rinse it twice with clean water, room temperature as well. Okay, and after, on the third time, we put cloth softener. Okay. And then it's a very important technique. After we get rid of all the soap, which is important, we rinse it a little bit, but not too much, because that might change the shape of the jumper. So we don't want to change the shape of the jumper. What we do, we fold it, and we are waiting for most of the water to drip, and after that we hang it when it's almost dry. So now we're waiting for all the water to go away for like an hour maybe. And nice.
Okay, I'll put it in the cupboard.
And it's almost like brand new.